Hey everyone, happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to focus on chip name Broadcom, symbol AVGO. Let's go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along here. So Broadcom, as we can see here, put in a nice bottom in July, has made a nice series of higher highs and higher lows. And you can see in this channel over here, the stock has broken out in a nice way and just about filled this gap from back in July when some adverse announcement came out for the company here. So it was actually regarding an acquisition. So they're making an acquisition, and the stock has kind of gone sideways for a little bit to making some higher lows along the way. Earnings came out last Thursday, and they were super positive, and the stock gapped up really sharply and followed through today. So we see that. But now it is going to encounter a little bit of resistance here, perhaps at the 200-day moving average. Also notice that the relative strength has been got a really, really nice steep slope here, which we like, which is quite positive and bullish for the stock. It is also at a high level in the 70s over here. So it wouldn't be surprising to see the stock cool off a little bit, but then again, we do have another gap to get filled right around just under 250 over here. So it's about $8 or $9 ahead, and there's another gap actually to be filled right around where that 20-day moving average moved over back in June, and that's around $260. So there are some gaps to fill to the upside as well. Straight ahead. So that's why we said we would not be surprised to see the up move continue here. Money flow is very positive. We are still on a bullish MACD buy signal. And again, the chip sector has been one that has been ailing lately, save for a few like Qualcomm and AMD, even NVIDIA to a certain extent. But for the most part, most of these names have been struggling. But AVGO, Broadcom here, seems to have lit a fire underneath some of these other names, and it itself is doing quite well. So we like Broadcom going forward down the road, probably to eventually, in the next month or so, to get up towards these all-time highs around the 270 area. So that's Broadcom. Thanks very much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.